What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So we didn't do an intro, so it's our intro right now.
Is it?
Cool.
Yeah. It's weird because we haven't vlogged in a long time.
It's weird because we haven't vlogged in a time.
Yeah.
In a long time.
And I haven't used this camera in a long time.
Yeah, usually he's been using the GoPro.
Yeah, because it's small. And it's just
Yeah. So yesterday we went to Lake Pleasant. Right, that's what it's called.
yeah, Lake Pleasant, yep.
You mad?
Huh?
You mad?
No. It's a small fish. One of the bigger one.
At first we were at somewhere else until we ended up there. That's how I got this.
It's still pretty hot right now here in Arizona, so you know, it's not supposed to be hot right now, right? It's supposed to be cooling down.
I don't know.
Around this time?
To me, it never cools down here.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
It's always
It's Arizona,
hot.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we did some fishing yesterday. Just went out with our buddy, and then yeah, not much. And today we're just gonna cook and enjoy football for today.
We did go to camping. We didn't vlog, but
Oh yeah.
I have a clip. I'll put it in right now.
After you guys see this clip, you guys not gonna see me the same way.
Yeah, right now. I'm gonna put it in. It got wild.
Oh, wow. Girl, you know I'm loving your style. Can you she got it all. Sexy from the head to the toe. And I want it all. Baby, let me love you down.
All right.
Yeah. So that's me, guys.
Hope you guys enjoyed that clip.
Yeah. I don't do this often, only when I'm out, like, you know.
You do that all the time.
No, I don't. Do I? No. Yeah, I just like to have fun. That's it. That's all I do. You know, I have fun with everybody. I try to be the party, you know what I mean? But that's it. It's good vibes every time. So don't be hating on my dancing, all right?
So we are cooking. We are cooking Olive today.
Oh my God.
Right, Olive? Oh. All right. We got some mussels baking. And I got some intestines that I'm about to boil. And you're gonna grill, right? Oh, you're gonna grill it, right? After it's done boiling?
Intestines?
Yeah.
And fry some chicken.
That's later today, but that's like our appetizer right there. So yeah. All right. We'll be back later.
Yeah, later. We got some mussels.
Yeah.
So it just came out the oven. It's only a few here because it's just our appetizers, like she said.
It's just us.
Yeah, it's just for us two. And we also got intestines. I think she already showed you that, but so now she's gonna make the sauce for the mussels. So it's known as dynamite mussels.
Some Japanese mayo.
You can use any mayo you want.
Yeah, I just wanted to use it because we aren't using it, so.
And sriracha.
Sriracha.
So sriracha is good for everything.
And I'm gonna add some garlic powder, just a little bit. And okay, I guess whatever. Black pepper.
Yep.
and mix.
Now we're just gonna lay the sauce over each mussel and put it back in the oven for about like 5 minutes.
Yeah, not that long.
Yeah, not that long.
3 minutes.
Because they're already cooked already. When you buy it from the store, it's already cooked, just frozen. Just basically just reheating it. And now we're just gonna heat up the sauce. So it'll be really, really delicious.
Mussels are done. You gonna try it?
Yeah, I'll try it.
Let's see.
Hold on. Can you see anything? Pretty dark.
Yeah.
Oh, is it hot?
Yeah. Fresh out the oven.
No.
Really good at creating takeaways, and they do really what great defenses do, and they score when they get them.
You sure?
Just the Japanese mayonnaise is kind of sour.
Oh, really?
Yeah. But it's good, huh?
Should have did the other mayonnaise, huh?
It's still good.
Okay.
Alright guys, so after boiling the intestines, so now we're gonna grill it. So this is how it looks when it's done boiling. Throw that over. Alright guys, so we want it crispy like that. So that's good. See that? Yes. Is it?
Gel salt and intestines. You can do the honors?
Yeah. Yeah, I want that. Good.
Oh, okay.
See how crispy and grilly?
No, it was blurry.
So this, after the grill, I just pulled out right now. Yeah, then you dip it in the sauce. Oh. I want all this cilantro and stuff.
Oh, you like extra cilantro too?
Yeah. Mmm. Ooh, that's good. Fire.
This sauce is bomb.
Y'all gotta try it.
It's easy to make too.
Intestines, you know, y'all think it's nasty, but the way we cook it, you won't get that, you know, that taste of the insides. Just gotta know how to cook it. Alright, so now marinating the chicken wings. When it's football, you always gotta have chicken wings. You guys know that.
Got some garlic.
So black pepper, garlic powder. This is her own seasoning. Onion powder.
Yep. Let's do some salt.
Some fresh
Not too much.
grounded salt.
Oh, and I like to use this
Lobo.
logo.
Chicken seasoning, Asian chicken seasoning.
That's good.
It's from Thailand, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, Thailand product. It's good if you guys haven't tried it. You find it in your local Asian stores?
Well, some it's hard to find.
Oh, yeah.
There, so you gotta really look for it.
Annie got me into that seasoning.
Really?
Yeah, I never even heard of it until she used it.
That's good.
Yeah, she used it all the time. Then she showed me, then I was like, ooh. I started using it.
Some fish sauce. Not too much.
I never used fish sauce for my seasoning before.
Really?
Yeah, I always use soy sauce and stuff. And oyster sauce.
Really?
Yeah.
That's
But
all
since-
you really need.
But since I used fish sauce like one time, I was like, ooh, a lot of flavor.
Yeah. You don't even need the oyster. Just like
Yeah. You could just put soy sauce by itself on the chicken and that's it.
Alright, mix that up.
Alright, so last step is throw some flour in there, right?
Yep.
This is Thai. Is it Thai?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, tempura.
All the flavors and the juices. Oh,
Yeah,
that's
okay.
it.
That's perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Got the liquid, that's why. And there you have it, guys. Woo. Fried chicken looking good.
This smells good. Can't wait.